Welcome back to SQL Mastery. Get ready to take your skills to the next level. Today we are diving deeper into the SQL query function. Today we will explore advanced filtering with the having and if case statement. Before we start, make sure hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you never miss the data packed episode. First, let's open the SQL editor. So depending on your platform, MySQL, Workbench or any other tool, click a new query or create a new query. Now we are ready to write our SQL query. So first, having. The having keyword is used to filter group of data created by the group by class. Unlike where, which filter rows before grouping, having filters after the grouping. For example, let's say you have a sales table and want to do the find product that having the total sales above 1 lakh. You will need having because the filtering after aggregation is necessary. So we will see the example query. So I am going to write the query, select product name, comma, sum of total as a total sale from sales report table. So here I need to write a group by using product name. So here it will be deliver the all the product name total sales. Now I need to identify the which are the product having the total sales of above 1 lakh rupees. So here I need to use having sum of total greater than 1 lakh. That's all. It will deliver the 4 product. Same way if I use 1000, then it will I need to identify the below 1000 rupees sales product. So you see there are 6 products having the total sales of below 1000 rupees. This this query groups the data by product name, calculate the total sale for each product, and then filter to include only those products with total sales greater than 1 lakh or 1000 rupees or whatever you want. Remember, use where for filtering the rows before grouping and having for filtering the groups after aggregation function. The having keyword is a powerful tool for the working with grouped data in SQL. Understood? Okay. Today the second chapter is we are going to learn about the if conditional statement. So I am going to delete all the rows. So if statement perform the conditional logic directly within your result set. This means you can evaluate the condition on each row of data and return the different result depending on true or false statement. It's a simple and efficient way to handle the logic without needing to modify the data set itself. So I am going to write a sample query. Writing select product name. So here I want to identify the which are the product having price above 1000 as a high range and below 1000 as a low range. Into the separate column name is range. So I am going to write below here total greater than 1000. If the condition is true, then it will be written the high. Otherwise it will be written the low. So I am putting as a renaming the column as a range. Then total, that's all. So here I need to select the from table name. So just execute the function. You see what are the product having above the 1000, it will be saying high. So below 1000 it will be saying low. So this is the condition and this is the true statement and this is the false statement. The query check the sales amount for each product and return the low or high based on the value of sales amount. So the condition you want to test for the each row and the result returned to the condition is true and the result is condition is false. So yeah, now you know how to use the if statement and add a conditional logic directly into your result. So here now we have another one range called the mid. So high, mid and low range. So we have to get the three ranges based on the sales amount. There is another one statement called case. The case statement in SQL work like an if then else condition. It allows you to evaluate the expression and return the different value based on the result. It's especially useful for handling the complex logic directly in your SQL queries without needing to changing your data sets. So I'm just presenting the same table here, product name. Here I have to write the case when is the keyword. So I'm going to use total greater than 5000. Then it's a high range. And second condition, when the price between 5500 to 1000, that means it's a low range. Sorry, it's a mid range. So I'm putting the total less than 5000 and total greater than 1000 or 500, then mid. Here in analytics all the string will be mentioned into the single quotes and number has been mentioned as without the quotes. No need to use the double quote for the string. If it is both condition is not specified, then we have to use else and low. End as range. I'm putting the column name as a range. You see, all the 500 below product items are the low and 1000 rupees as a mid, then above 5000 as a high. The when condition defines is where you are testing and what are you testing. The then condition will execute the result what you want, and the else is return the default value if none of the condition has matched. Catch can be used to in select, where condition and other SQL classes. You can have a many when condition as needed. The else part is optional one, but provide a default value if no condition are met. Now you know how to use the case statement to add a conditional logic into your SQL queries. Today we explore the having and case statement and if statement. This function make you the true SQL power user. Which function you are most excited to try in future? Drop your answer in comments below. If you love this video, then hit the like button and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Analytics with Amar. Thank you.